Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY with Dewey. So there was a viewer who had questions about this little cowl molding right here. And this just kind of sits in here. What I thought was sealant along here isn't. It's a tight fit. It's a snug fit and it's almost like a rubber channel that clips in. But this is, I'm gonna pull this off so you guys can take a closer look. So this is that little tab right here. And do you see how it is pretty nasty under there? Where I think like water goes in there. But this top seal right here seals with the fender. And you can see there. So it just fits in there like a slot. And then you can see there's a tab right along the fender right there. I'm trying to point to it right here. It's a little rubber slot that goes in there. I don't want to pull it off because it'll probably break. This is brittle. But this fits into the fender lip and it kind of keeps it in place. This rubber right here also goes under this fender trim. Do you see this little tab? And it just rests against the windshield. Right there. So it fits in there and yeah, I'm pretty sure when it rains really hard, water goes down there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It slides in like that and sits there. So there's a tab right here and tab right there. So two tabs. But all right, that's the same thing on the other side too. So this trim, it just sits really close to the fender. All right, well, let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching.